In today's world, where durability and performance matter most, finding the perfect powerhouse under the hood is key. Join us as we dive into the world of rugged engineering, exploring the legends and innovations that make these trucks stand out for their endurance and dependability. Whether you're a seasoned truck lover or just curious about raw power, this video will showcase the engines that define toughness on the road. Hi guys, welcome to Finest Vehicles. Today we will look at cheap trucks with the toughest engines under the hood. Number 10. The 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Priced at an average of $7,193, the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 offers sturdy performance with its reliable 4.8-liter V8 engine, delivering 295 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque. According to car survey data, several 2000 Chevy Silverado trucks equipped with the 4.8-liter V8 engine have exceeded 150,000 miles, with one notable example reaching 355,000 miles, demonstrating its sturdy and reliable construction. Number 9. The 2011 Ford Ranger. With an average price of $8,263, the 2011 Ford Ranger boasts a dependable inline-4 engine, manufactured by Mazda, known for its longevity. While it may lack in power with its 143 horsepower output, it remains a practical choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a reliable work truck. A review of car survey data indicates that the Mazda Duratec engine, which powers the inline-4 in many Ford Ranger models, has demonstrated exceptional reliability, with numerous examples lasting over 100,000 miles without significant issues. Number 8. The 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. The 2009 Dodge Ram 1500, starting at $8,290, offers affordability without compromising on performance. Equipped with the renowned Chrysler 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, delivering 390 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, it ensures both power and reliability for heavy-duty tasks. According to reports from Car Survey, the Chrysler Hemi V8 engine has proven longevity, with many Dodge Durango vehicles equipped with this engine surpassing 100,000 miles with minimal issues. Number 7. The 2015 GMC Canyon. Priced around $13,418, the 2015 GMC Canyon features the General Motors LFX 3.6-liter V6 engine, renowned for its reliability. With 305 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque, this truck offers robust performance suitable for various tasks, despite some potential transmission issues. Data from Car Survey suggests that the GM high-feature engine, including versions like the LFX, has demonstrated durability, with numerous vehicles equipped with this engine exceeding 100,000 miles without major reliability concerns. Number 6. The 2015 Ford F-150. The 2015 Ford F-150, priced at $13,772 on average, is equipped with a durable twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6 engine, offering both longevity and versatility. While some may prefer V8 engines, this V6 variant, with its 88,000-mile track record, proves its reliability. According to Car Survey data, the Ford EcoBoost V6 engine has shown resilience, with instances of vehicles equipped with this engine reaching over 100,000 miles with minimal issues. Number 5. The 2018 Nissan Titan. With an average price of $14,264, the 2018 Nissan Titan features a robust 5.6-liter V8 engine, delivering 390 horsepower and offering impressive hauling capabilities. Despite the discontinuation of its diesel variant, this truck remains a reliable option for buyers seeking durability. Data from Car Survey indicates that the Nissan VK 5.6-liter V8 engine has demonstrated reliability, with vehicles equipped with this engine reaching over 100,000 miles with minimal issues. Number 4. The 2014 Honda Ridgeline. Priced at $16,006 on average, the 2014 Honda Ridgeline offers affordability and reliability with its 3.5-liter V6 engine. While its towing capacity may be modest, its proven longevity, showcased by a 2009 Honda Accord reaching over 100,000 miles, makes it a compelling choice. According to car survey data, the Honda J-Series engines, including the one powering the Ridgeline, have exhibited reliability, with vehicles equipped with these engines achieving high mileage without significant reliability concerns. Number 3. The 2019 Nissan Frontier. The 2019 Nissan Frontier, priced around $17,346, features a durable 4.0-liter V6 engine, known for its reliability despite some initial drawbacks in fuel economy and handling. With a maximum towing capacity of 6,720 pounds, it offers longevity and practicality for various tasks. Data from car surveys suggests that the Nissan VQ engine, including versions powering the Frontier, has demonstrated durability, with vehicles equipped with this engine reaching over 80,000 miles with minimal issues. Number 2. The 2016 Toyota Tundra. With a starting price of $17,933, the 2016 Toyota Tundra boasts a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine, offering 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. Renowned for its towing capacity of 10,500 pounds, it combines durability and versatility for buyers seeking a reliable pickup truck. According to data from Car Survey, the Toyota UR engine, including versions powering the Tundra, has exhibited reliability, with vehicles equipped with this engine reaching over 100,000 miles with minimal issues. And now, for number 1. The 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Topping the list with an average price of $19,068, the 2017 Toyota Tacoma showcases Toyota's reputation for reliability with its 3.5-liter V6 engine. With 278 horsepower and a proven track record of surpassing 100,000 miles, it offers longevity and performance for discerning buyers. According to Car Survey data, the Toyota GR engine, including versions powering the Tacoma, has demonstrated exceptional reliability, with vehicles equipped with this engine achieving high mileage with minimal issues. Which one would you like to own? Give your opinion in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? Then please like and subscribe for more of the best new vehicle videos here at Finest Vehicles.